G'day guys, it's Calvin from the Car Tune Company down under in New Zealand. Really simple one today. We're sticking an accessory belt on. I'm going to call this one a fan belt because this is an LS400 and it's actually got a fan on it. The other ones run a hydraulic fan pump, but this one's got a proper viscous fan. There are a few different size belts. I choose to use a genuine one because over here they're cheap. Are really well priced and better quality than any of the aftermarkets. So let's get it in the hole, get it sorted. So there's the part number, the factory part number for this particular car, which is a UCF 20 LS400, and it's a 6PK 2230. As I said, there are some different sizes. We removed the sticker, which isn't fuck that. That's success. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down this side of the fan. I'm going round the crankshaft pulley. I'm then going to go around the fan idler, fan unit, around the air conditioning, coming up to this top idler. Hope everyone's keeping up. Across to the power steering. I'm going to flick my other hand under here now. So I'm keeping it on the crankshaft pulley and onto that alternator. Just double check we got around that air conditioning. In here with my 14mm spanner. And then I find it's a 17mm spanner. Now I've got my 14mm spanner. Technical tip of the day, guys, 17mm doesn't fit a 14. Tension it back, slip the belt over. Ta-da! We are done. So that was around the crankshaft, round the fan idler, round the air conditioning down there, up to this top idler, power steer, round the alternator, onto the tensioner. I will get around at some point to doing a series on the different belt fittings, so without the air conditioning and then with only the alternator, but that's for another day. Hope that was helpful, and we'll talk to you again soon. Catch you later.